videos in a row. Like, I am so proud of myself. Like, give me a round of applause. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Marissa and this is Riss. If you're new to this channel, please go down there, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a video, which is every single Sunday. And I'm trying my best, like, not to talk too much, but Jesus, another music video from J-Hope. Like, are you serious? Like, I'm shocked. Truly, I am shocked. Like, all I gotta say is I'm a little mad at Big Hit, but like not too mad. Like Big Hit, like Big Hit. Really? Like, how do you just come out of nowhere and just drop a music video on us in the middle of the week, randomly, no warning, nothing, just like went and was like, let's see how they gonna react. And I was like, I was shook as I kind of knew that this was going to be the last video. If you guys watched my last reaction video, which I did on Daydream, which I'll have linked right here, you'll know that I did say that there was like a lot of airplanes popping up in like the video. So I'm expecting P.O.P. to be the next music video, but maybe after I watch this, I'll see. But like, really, Big Hit, like, really? I'm mad, but like I'm low-key not mad. I'm high-key not mad, to be honest, because you gave me another J-Hope video, which I love my J-Hope. For you guys that know me and have watched this channel or watched some of my videos, for sure part of the army, and J-Hope is definitely a part of my bias. Whew. Okay, let's start the video. Ooh, okay, we like that. 그때 나를 다시 기억해 맨말에 땅이라 못해요 돼 저 푸른 항이로만 튀었네 나보고 싶은 속에 airplane 애써 그때 나를 다시 기억해 맨말에 땅이라 못해요 Okay. Okay. Yes. You know you can't drive, but that's cool. Okay, you look cute. Everywhere, and the issue, man. Oh my God. Woo! Okay, sorry. Them effects. Okay, I see you. I see you. I done see you, Big Hit. I see you. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I paused it right at the best moment. Look at his face. Oh, he looks like a freaking snack. He looks like a full course meal. He looks like my dinner. I will be full for the rest of my life. Nobody needs to feed me. That is enough food right there. Yes, it is. Yum. Oh, what type of car is this? Because this car is like looking a little weird to me. I don't know about nobody else, but like what are these big eyeballs? Like, I'm not a car person, so I don't know. But I just don't know like what car is this? What car this is? Wow, I cannot speak English either, apparently. I don't know. Woo! He looks like a snack. I'm sorry. Full course meal. Oh my God, yes! Shopping in my airplane. Couldn't we have met? Favorite part of the song. Couldn't be a jacket.
couldn't buy candy, couldn't buy how to jam you. couldn't find a jammy, couldn't move a fading, 너의 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안
Oh, your airplane mode. Ooh, okay, excuse me. I don't hate on the car no more. Is this like a theme? Because like this whole like one chair or some type of furniture in the middle of like this floor of two colors, and then like the middle is like some type of landscape. Like, is this like the common theme? Because we saw this in Daydream and now we're seeing this here. Like, I don't know, I just want to know. Give us some clues, like what's coming next. Oh, excuse me. Oh, is that him or is that BTS? The whole group. He looks so cute. He looks like a New Yorker, which I love. That's like so my style. Hey. Aww, I love that. People don't always like slow songs, which that song wasn't that slow, but like it had, that song had like a really like a good message, which I love. Like, I love it. The whole album does. If you guys have not listened to the album yet, get to it. What are you doing? Like, are you living under a rock? How have you not listened to this album? Well, mixtape technically. I don't know. That might be it for the music videos coming from this album, because like I don't get a sense that like another one is coming. But if another one comes, big hit, you gotta give us a warning. Like, you gotta like, you know, promote that, because seriously, like, you didn't give nobody time to even like hashtag like a airplane is coming on Twitter. Like, nothing, just dropped it and like said nothing. Like, you're rude, but I'm not mad. But going with the track record of like all the other rappers and BTS that have had a mixtape, it's usually 2 videos. I don't know, that might be it for all the music videos. But I know that BTS right now is working on their next album, so I'm super excited for that. And I guess that's it, guys. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want, saying that you love BTS, saying who your bias is, saying that you hated this video. Whatever you want to comment that down below. I do a lot of reaction videos. All my reaction videos will be listed right here. I have a full playlist. Alright, bye guys.